Prague, a city of shadows, even more so on this rainy night. A body lay in a dark alley, lit only by a flickering gas lamp. Detective Karol Cerny, his coat shining in the dim light, looked at the scene. Another dead body, but this one was different. This one had secrets. On the dead man's hand were strange symbols, a code. Cerny felt a chill. This wasn't a normal murder. The dead man wore plain clothes, his face bruised and beaten, his identity hidden. He was clearly part of a secret world, a world of whispers in the dark. The code, made of strange shapes and numbers, was like nothing Cerny had ever seen. It was a puzzle waiting to be solved, a door to a hidden world. Cerny knew this code held the answers. He also knew this was dangerous, more dangerous than he could imagine. The dead man, Cerny soon found out, was a ghost. No records, no name, just whispers and rumors. They called him the Weaver, a shadow who dealt in secrets. His life, a web of lies, was falling apart. His death, a violent shock to Cerny's world, was only the beginning. The Weaver had been murdered, silenced before he could share his last deadly secret. The code, Cerny was sure, was the key. It held the answer to who the Weaver really was, what he was doing, and why he died. But it was a lock without a key. Experts in languages, codes, even math were called in. They were frustrated as they tried to understand the code. The symbols seemed to tease them, laughing at their attempts. The code was a fortress, impossible to break into. Days turned into weeks, the code always on Cerny's mind. The symbols became an obsession, a riddle he had to solve. He studied old books, talked to experts in codes and languages, but the code remained unbroken. It was a lost language, a whisper from a forgotten world. The mystery grew deeper. Strange theories came up, each one crazier than the last. Some whispered of a secret group, hidden throughout history, reaching into the highest levels of power. Others spoke of a hidden truth, a secret that could change the world. Cerny listened, his mind racing, trying to put the pieces together. The truth he knew was in the code, a dangerous secret waiting to be found. The fate of the world, it seemed, rested on a small group of code breakers in a dark room. They were the best, their minds trained to crack the toughest codes. But the code on the Weaver's hand had them stumped. The symbols seemed to move and change, breaking all the rules. It was like trying to catch smoke. The pressure grew each day. Governments were involved now, interested in what the code could mean. Rumors spread of a worldwide conspiracy, of a weapon that could change everything. Cerny, caught in the middle, knew he was in too deep, but he couldn't stop. The code was his obsession, his biggest challenge. He had to break it no matter what.